To begin with, grab a good pair of scissors or a knife and cut the strapping off both boxes. Once you've opened your box, it's always a good idea to check the content inside to the manual to make sure you've got everything required. As the base of the treadmill is quite heavy, we always recommend that 2 people lift it out of the box. To secure the vertical frames to the running deck, we're going to use 1 large black Allen head bolt, 1 large spring washer and 1 large flat silver washer on each side of the vertical frames to secure it to the running deck. Use 2 black Allen head bolts, 2 spring washers and 2 silver washers underneath each vertical frame. Connect the cable placed on the right hand side of the running deck to the bottom of the vertical frame bar by lining up the pins and clipping them together. Insert the console into the upper end of the vertical frame bars. Connect the right hand side wire from the console and the handrail through the plastic clip provided until you hear a clicking noise. Then push the excess wire into the handrail frame. Ensure you do not catch the wire between the console and the frame when reattaching it. Screw the console to the vertical frame bar. Use 2 black Allen head bolts, 1 black arc washer and 1 black flat washer for each side. Fasten the support crossbar onto the vertical frames. Use 2 black Allen head bolts and 2 silver washers on each side. Install the 2 frame covers at the bottom of each vertical frame. Use the 2 tapping screws provided. Set the secure lock on both sides of the treadmill before use. Twist the rubber foot anti-clockwise to lower the treadmill and twist it clockwise to raise it. Plug the treadmill into the wall outlet to power on the treadmill. Finally, to operate your treadmill, insert the safety key into the safety key socket.